Thank you. Yee. I'm so touched. Thank you, Presida, our Chief Public Attorney. Thank you to all the distinguished guests, and of course to all our lady lawyers who are here today. Wow, ang dami ninyo. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, let me greet my friend Persida, who will be turning 63 on August 19. Advance happy birthday. When Persida asked me to join you guys, I immediately said yes, because the POW is really close to my heart. Since October last year, they've been joining us in our Love for All program. So every other week, we go to a different province, and the POW lawyers are there to give free legal advice to the indigent community, most of whom either want notarized documents or they want to leave their husbands. That's normally the ano. So thank you very much for joining us in Love for All. For this 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention, I didn't really know that there were so many of you, and I understand that you do more than 10%, right, of the indigent. You give free legal advice to the indigent people and to the deserving. So for that, congratulations to all of you. You know, it's not easy to be in the legal profession, especially for women. I always tell my students, if they're to succeed in this profession, they have to be fierce. So as First Lady, I tell all the people, ladies, you have to be fierce to get to your goal and to help people. So before I end, I just want to thank you all for this. It really means a lot to me. I'll put it in my office, so that every day I'm reminded of the honor that you have given me today. Before I end, I want to congratulate all of you for this successful convention. I hope that when you leave here, you'll remember the words of my husband when he said in his last song na, dapat po natin mahalin ang Pilipinas. Dapat natin mahalin ang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Sama-sama tayo babangon muli.
Tagumpay ng bayan na